I've been exploring the Fox News mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Fox News app is an app aimed at people who want continuous access to Fox News coverage, live shows, and commentary on politics, business, and general headlines on their Apple devices. It targets regular Fox viewers and users who prefer a familiar TV-style news experience on mobile and connected devices. Core features include live and on-demand video from major Fox News programs, breaking news alerts, and sections for topics like US, politics, world, tech, and lifestyle, which makes it convenient for quick check-ins throughout the day. The app also supports podcasts, recommended stories based on listening, and even built-in games like crosswords and word puzzles, adding some lighter, time-filler content. Recent updates have focused on engagement tools such as reactions in comment sections, along with general performance improvements. However, it is not without flaws. Some recent reviewers mention issues like excessive ads and frequent re-authentication with TV providers, which can make the experience feel interrupted or tedious. Others point to technical glitches such as audio and video lip-sync problems in certain shows, suggesting that streaming reliability is not perfect. Overall, the app holds a strong rating around 4.4 out of 5 with a clear majority of 5-star reviews, which indicates that many users find it reliable for staying connected to Fox News content despite the drawbacks. If you value Fox's perspective, live TV access, and integrated news plus audio and games, it is a solid choice. But if you are sensitive to ads, occasional technical issues, or repeated sign-ins, you may want to weigh those trade-offs before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.